In the fast-paced world of mobile technology, few devices have maintained such a cult-like following as the iPad mini. It is the only high-end tablet that truly fits in one hand, bridging the gap between a smartphone and a full-sized workstation. For years, rumors have swirled about the next major evolution of this compact powerhouse, and now that we are in 2026, the wait is finally over. We are standing on the brink of a revolution for small form factor devices. The iPad Mini 5 2026 represents more than just an incremental update. It is a complete reimagining of what a small tablet can achieve in an era dominated by artificial intelligence and high-performance computing. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. This device is designed for those who refuse to compromise on power just because they prefer a smaller screen. From the moment you hold it, the shift in philosophy is apparent. Apple has doubled down on the pro aspect of the Mini, ensuring that every millimeter of this device is packed with cutting-edge hardware. The most striking feature of the 2026 model is undoubtedly the display. For the first time in the history of the compact lineup, we are seeing the transition to a tandem OLED panel, similar to what was introduced in the high-end Pro models. This means deep blacks, infinite contrast ratios, and a peak brightness that makes outdoor usage a breeze. The previous issues with jelly scrolling are a distant memory, as the new 120Hz promotion technology ensures that every swipe and animation is buttery smooth. This screen is not just for watching content. It is a professional-grade canvas for artists and designers who need color accuracy on the go. When you pair this display with the ultra-thin bezels, the iPad Mini 5 2026 feels like a window into another world. It is incredibly immersive, making it the perfect companion for long flights or daily commutes where a larger laptop would be too cumbersome. Under the hood, the performance gains are nothing short of staggering. Powering this beast is the A19 Pro chip, built on a refined 2nm process. This isn't just a mobile processor. It is a silicon marvel that rivals many desktop CPUs in raw power and efficiency. With 12 GB of unified memory, multitasking on a small screen has never been more viable. You can jump between 4K video editing in LumaFusion, intensive 3D rendering, and dozens of browser tabs without the device ever breaking a sweat. This level of performance is critical because the iPad Mini 5 2026 is built from the ground up to support the next generation of Apple Intelligence. We are talking about on-device AI models that can generate images, summarize complex documents, and even assist in coding, all without needing a constant internet connection. This makes the device a true personal assistant that learns your habits and anticipates your needs. Battery life has also seen a significant boost, thanks to the efficiency of the 2nm architecture and the new OLED panel. Even with the increased performance, users can expect a solid 12 to 14 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Apple has also finally addressed the charging speeds, introducing 45W fast charging via the USB-C port, allowing you to top up the battery significantly in just 30 minutes. This port is now a Thunderbolt 4 interface, meaning you can connect the iPad Mini 5 2026 to high-speed external drives or even a 6K external display, turning this tiny tablet into a portable desktop setup when you reach your office or home. It's this versatility that makes the 2026 model so compelling for the modern professional. The camera system has also received a massive overhaul. While most people don't use tablets as their primary cameras, the iPad Mini 5 2026 features a new 48-megapixel main sensor that excels in low-light photography and document scanning. The front-facing camera has been moved to the landscape edge, making video calls feel much more natural. It features a new ultra-wide lens with Center Stage 2.0, which uses AI to keep you perfectly framed even if you are moving around the room. For students and office workers, the integrated LiDAR scanner allows for precision AR applications and instant 3D room mapping, making it a valuable tool for architects and interior designers who need to capture data quickly while on site. Design-wise, the iPad Mini 5 2026 maintains its iconic footprint but feels more premium than ever. The chassis is crafted from 100% recycled titanium, making it both lighter and significantly more durable than the previous aluminum models. It comes in a range of new space-themed colors, including a stunning nebula blue and Titan gray. The edges are slightly more rounded for better ergonomics, ensuring that it remains comfortable to hold for hours of reading or gaming. Speaking of gaming, the ray tracing capabilities of the A19 Pro chip allow the Mini to run AAA console titles with ease. Imagine playing the latest open-world RPGs with desktop-level graphics right in the palm of your hand. This device effectively kills the need for a dedicated handheld gaming console for many users. The software experience has been tailored specifically for this screen size. iPadOS 20 introduces a new focus multitasking mode that optimizes the layout for the 8.3-inch display, allowing for more intuitive split-screen and slide-over interactions. The Apple Pencil Pro 3 is also a perfect partner for the iPad Mini 5 2026, featuring new haptic sensors that mimic the feel of different textures, from charcoal on paper to a brush on canvas. The pencil now magnetically attaches to the side with a stronger grip and charges even faster. For note-takers, the integration between the pencil and the AI-driven Notes app is seamless, with the tablet capable of cleaning up your handwriting and converting it into searchable, professional text in real time.